Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the impressive features of the OnePlus Pad 2, a powerhouse Android tablet designed for both productivity and entertainment. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and Qualcomm Adreno GPU, this tablet offers 25% faster graphics, ensuring a seamless gaming and streaming experience. With 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, housed in a sleek, all-metal body with an anodized finish, it promises durability and a scratch-free look. The 12.1-inch display boasts up to 900 nits brightness, a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a stunning 3000 by 2120 resolution, delivering exceptional visuals for vivid images and sharp text. Enjoy immersive audio with 6 powerful speakers and enhanced gaming features like Hyper Boost and Hyper Rendering for stable frame rates. Capture clear images with the 8 megapixels front and 13 megapixels rear cameras, enhanced by AI features, while the CNC aluminum unibody and 2.5D curved glass ensure a comfortable feel. Boost your productivity with AI tools like AI Eraser 2.0, Smart Cutout, and the AI Toolbox, making the OnePlus Pad 2 a versatile companion for all your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.